This is how you fix a horse blanket using Northern Gates repair tape. First you measure out how much tape you're going to need. Then you cut the tape. Next you go onto the back side of the tape. Cut out a little piece on that side. Cut out a little piece on the other side. And then you're going to lay the tape flat. Smooth that little piece down. Go on the underside and start peeling the tape away as you push down on the tape. And that's how you get the smoothest repair of the tape without wrinkles. Here's what the blanket tape looks like coming out of the washing machine. You can see that it didn't peel up at all, and it looks just the same as when I put it in there.